Hi there, Year 11s. This is example 8 from the textbook, so I'm just going to go through how you do this. So hopefully you watched the class video first, so you've got the general theory for circles. Here it says, write down the equation of the circle with center -3, 5, and a radius of 2. So we know that the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared, and it's meant to equal to r squared. Since you know the radius is going to be 2, right? So you know it has to be 2 on the right, 2 on the left, 2 up, 2 down for that perfect circle, right? Well then, in order for that to happen, that would mean it has to be 2 squared. The other thing that we know is that the center is not at 0, 0, which is often where the normal circle is, 0, 0. We know it's moved now to the left by 3, and it's 5 up as well because it's -3, 5. That's the point. So it's gone to the left and then it's gone up by 5. So to replicate that in our transformation is we have to affect the x. The x now becomes x. Now to move to the left, it has to be plus 3 squared. And then you still have plus. And then to move up, then it's y minus 5 squared. And that's equal to 2 squared, which is 4. Okay, so this will definitely guarantee that I will have a radius of 2. Okay, so this will guarantee that I will end up with a radius of 2. I will shift up by 5, which is what I wanted. And I will also have a shift in the left direction of 3. Let's see if this is true. So I'm expecting the center to be at -3, 5. And I know that it's going to be a circle, right? But remember it says radius of 2. So if this is -3 and up here is 5, well, the max height here would be an extra 2 up. So it has to be 7 on top. So it must reach a maximum of 7. Down by 2 reaches a maximum of 3. And then remember from the x-axis, the center is -3, so that means if I move to the left and right by 2, it should be at -5 and -1. So my circle width can only be as big as something like this. Something like that, roughly. Okay? So I'm just quickly drawing a very quick sketch of what it might look like, where it has a center at -3, 5. I'm just going to do it in black. And I'm just going to take the dots away so that we can see. So we can see that the max height is at 7. Minimum height is 3. And width is at -5. And the width over here is at -1. And that would be my graph there with the y and x, if I were to sketch it. Okay, let's visualize that. Let's see if that's true. I'm going to go to my des mask. I'm going to delete what I taught in the previous lesson. Let's try that. So we said x plus 3, and then plus y minus 5 squared, and equals to 4. And you can see there, right there, if I just put in the minor grids, can you see how it has a maximum width of -5 all the way to -1? Center should be at -3, 5. And that is the center of my circle, and it has a radius of 2. So from here to here, that's 2 units, 2 units, 2 units, 2 units down. Okay, that's how you do example 8.